Autumn is my favorite time of the year in the woods, especially days like this. I'm a spoon maker. I make spoons from timber I found on my hikes. It all starts with a walk. Today I'll be walking up to a tree I've been using for a couple of months. It's chestnut season. Lots of chestnut trees in the area I've been working at. So I decided to start with a relaxing activity, picking chestnuts. I stashed some wood in this area a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, it's still here. Even some chestnuts on top as a bonus. This piece is on top of trash. Real goodies are in the bags. I'm a green woodworker, so I need the wood to stay fresh. These pieces will save me some time and energy from sawing today. I've packed them up and moved to the tree I've been using. These will be the last pieces from this tree. Hand sawing can get intense pretty fast, so I'm glad I stashed some wood earlier. When working completely by hand, you learn how to preserve energy. After cutting, I split everything into billets and I'm ready to move again. I'm moving to a different location, a short hike up to a stump I found earlier. The woods are beautiful up here. That's my new stump. Small, but big enough. The height is just perfect so I can stand without slouching. When axing for a few hours at a time, your posture is really important. You don't want no back pain. Today I'm doing coffee scoops and honey dippers, as many as I can. After some 6 coffee scoops, time for a break. Quick lunch, some more chestnut picking. No sitting around idly in the woods, always something to do, even on a break. I was a bit stressed out when I started early in the morning. Christmas is approaching. Lots of people order spoons for Christmas, and I don't want to disappoint anybody. So the pressure is on to make as many as possible. That can make the work stressful, and stress is the enemy of creativity. So while coming up here, I told myself, act like you're going on a relaxing hike. No need to do any work, just relax and enjoy the forest. If you do something, it's okay. If not, it's okay too. This is where chestnut picking came in nicely. It's a really nice, relaxing activity. A zen-like activity with a feeling and accomplishment while filling up your bag. Back to work. More coffee scoops to do. I always quite enjoy the axe work. It takes a few years to develop proper technique and muscle memory. Then you can really get into the flow with it. Let the wood chips fly. You never hit more than 2/3 up the length of the piece. If you always keep your fingers away from the blade, it's very safe. And there's something very satisfying in the sound of the axe in the woods. I make a couple of stop cuts here. They help with knocking out the sides. You don't want to lose the ball of the spoon after all that work. It's afternoon now and the weather is changing. I feel the rain is coming, probably in the evening. I source the wood, split it and do all the axing in the woods. In the end, I managed to axe out more spoon blanks than the last time. It's important to stay relaxed. Stressing will not help you. I'll pack up all the blanks and I'm heading home soon. I carry everything on my back. In the next few days I'll carve and decorate all the blanks I prepared today. Then another hike up the mountain. This is how I've been doing it for years now. The bag of chestnuts will be a fine addition. Everybody at home loves them. Back home now, everybody wants a treat. I'm going to bake them in the oven. With a serrated knife, make a lengthwise slit down the entire middle surface of the round side of the chestnut. Put the chestnuts in a pot of cold water and bring to boil. As soon as the water begins to boil, remove them into a shallow baking pan. Bake on high heat for 20 minutes. Listen to the cracking. Peel them while they're hot. Perfect ending of a long workday.